Alright guys, for this video, as you can see, I will try my bike bags, but it's not complete yet. The sleeping bag, I didn't put it here because it's only a day tour. I'm gonna go there only for a picnic, not for overnighting. I'm just gonna practice to tie a hammock in the forest, so I'm gonna go there in the forest. I'm just getting the feel of it until yung masanay tayo. I'm gonna get used to it. The heavy things in front, this one, the bag, as you can see. I'm gonna balance it. Next time I'm gonna go straight. Iharap ko siya pa ganun, slant like that. So my route today is about only 5 kilometers. Ole, 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 ole. The bugs in the back, it's good. It's the bits from XXL Beats bag, pannier bags. I got 2 pannier bags so I can carry more stuff. So the title of this vlog, this white bike from my compadre Albert, is a light bike. I just made it heavy by putting pannier bags, stuffs. So this one in front is my cooking set and 1 bottle of beer, so I'm gonna drink beer there. The one purpose of this vlog also is to find a lavu or a lean-to shelter for hikers and campers here in this country, Suomi. So lavu is a lean-to shelter that you can find along the forest trails, along memorial parks. Ole, ole. So I'm gonna go uphill, hit and hurry. Let's look for a lavu. The temperature today, +3, +4. But we have no time because it's we have only the weekend off. So next week I'm gonna go again full time. So we're gonna get busy. So I wanted to ride today. There's a path here, but I'm not sure if I can find that lavu. So we just follow the map given to us by Garmin and our watch Coros. So let's just follow the map. But along the trails, if I saw a lavu already, we're gonna go there, pack. And also I'm not gonna cook today. I want to cook, but we have a moderate fire warning in the forest, so we can cook by stove. But I think I cannot cook today, or I will not cook today. Instead, I've packed a pulutan. I've packed a pulutan, some kind of egg, pigar-pigar, the one I cooked yesterday, and some burger patty. So it's only standby camping or standby sort of picnic we're gonna have. So let's see there in the trail. Let's go. This Garmin bring me to a happy. Wow, what a nice Garmin. What a nice Garmin. Very nice. Oh. It's just like Camp John Hay in my hometown. Camp John Hay. It's very good. What a nice. Wow. Nature tayo. I'm gonna try a hammock to a tree and let's have a picnic there. And then later afternoon we're gonna go home. and I will cook again, or tomorrow. I'll just cook tomorrow. It's a rest day today. Yesterday I cook. I cooked a lot already. I cooked burger patty. I cooked sausage, and then also the tapoy. I made the tapoy. Tapos dun sa kanan, dun sa kanan. Here, I'm gonna turn right here because it's a loop. We're just gonna follow what they're saying, the maps. So here, I'm gonna turn right here. It's a trail, guys. Alright, no, yeah, we're already in the trail. Wow, it's quiet. He wants me to turn right here, but no, it's a footpath, man. I'm just gonna follow the road until I find a lavu or a lean-to shelter. I don't want to follow this trail already. Where will that lead me? Let's follow Garmin, but I'm gonna walk. I have heavy stuff. See? So this is the trail. I think it's a running trail. This is for joggers, pare. This is for runners. I'm not gonna ride my bike here. So I can't see a lavu. Let's turn back around, follow the road path until we find a lavu. Let's go. Let's follow this one. I found a lavu here before, but I don't remember where is she? Oops, oopsie. Where? There's a lot of pot. Ayun pala, meron naman pala siya. It came back, it rerouted. The map rerouted. So I'm just gonna follow the map until we found a lavu or a lean-to shelter. There's a lean-to shelter here somewhere. Because my first time lost in this trail before, I found a lavu or a lean-to shelter. He wants me to turn left here already. I want to see there first, and then we come back. There's no lavu here. Nakita ko na to noon. Itong bench na to, so malapit na siguro. Let's see. I thought I put it at. I think we're near that lavu that I'm talking about, a lean-to forest. But first, look at that view. I'm gonna see the view first there. Moro. See that view, man. What a nice. See, we're on top of the mountains. Guys, mountains yan. Yan yung Hit and Harry, ano. Ikutin mo yan, pre. Ang luwang niya, nasa lubong ako mga riders. Oh, very nice. Mali yata yung outfit ko. Naka-jacket pa ako. Let's go. Let's find a lean-to shelter and let's have a camp. See you in a while. Para hindi tayo malobat here in the forest. Let's go.
Unfortunately for this video, I didn't find any lean-to shelters. So I ride for about 15 kilometers and didn't find one because I don't know where it is. But next time I will go back and look for one. So
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to.
Alright guys, may napagtanungan ako na dalawang matanda na nag-trekking, nag-walking dito. Dito daw. Sa left, kumana lang ako dito at kumuha ako ng shots. So, Lavu. Alam din nila eh. Dito na kasi lumaki yung mga yan. No? Alam na. Meron daw, wait lang. Meron daw straight ahead, less than 2 kilometers. Meron din daw dito sa kanan. So straight na lang tayo. Ang dami niya sinasabi, hindi ko maintindihan. Sabi niya, anong gusto mo? Kung ano daw mas maganda, parang gano'n. Ako kahit na anong labo lang, pagpahingaan lang natin ba. Mag-set up tayo, mag-practice na ako na ano. I-set up, ipakita ko lang sa inyo itong bago ko na ano, the backs facts. Sura, paano to? Sura kakanan so. Ay ito, tingnan natin to sa maps. Nagano tayo no, finding Lavu. Lean-to shelter. Yung kagandahan dito guys sa bansang ito here in Suomi is they have, that's what they call, to straight na to, what they call Lavu, na pwede kang mag-camp na libre pare. Kaya nga cottage yun, lean-to shelter cottage. I-voice over ko sana kaso pangit nung ano ko sa voice over, boses ko sa voice over parts parang ano. Pero alam ko meron talaga kasi naligaw ako dito nung nakita ko yun. Kaya ako naghanap ng labo or parang cottage pa para ma-set up natin itong mga to na hindi na tayo nag-set up kasi wala tayong dalang lamesa. Ito ba yung Sora? Ito yata yung Sora sasabi niya. So let's see. In the end of the road. Wala na. Hindi ko na sinundan yung ano, loop na gagawin natin. Silip lang tayo guys. Nadaanan ko to noon. Itong poste na to. Pasensyaan nyo na guys, mahaba video natin. Uy, lupa, parang beach. Madulas yan. Ito nadaanan ko to. Oo, naalala ko na to. Ito nga. Alam ko na to. Alam ko na ba to? Hindi. Let's go there. Hindi mahabang video. As you can see, very vast. The forest is very vast. You can bike here all day long. You cannot still find one Lavu unless you ask a local. Straight ahead, but there's a lot of branch, something like that. I didn't see one. So let's go back. Ito delikado, kita niya. It's a sandy siya. Oh. Slide. Let's go back. Let's see the other one there. There's no here. But the forest very good. No, ganda. Hanap pa tayo. Spot. Alright guys, balik na ako. Hindi ko nahanap. Wala, very vast ang forest guys. Hindi mo basta-basta mahanap. Tapos ganito pa yung daan, no? Kita nyo, buhangin. Sandy, the area is sandy. I cannot find the lean-to shelter, so let's go there. Let's go back. Maybe there's the other one. My tires are sliding because of the sand. It's like the sand of the beach. It's here, sandy road. Let's go back. There's the map is showing me here because the map is, it's a loop, but no, we're gonna go straight ahead, going back already. See you in a little bit. I cannot find a spot where I can rest or something, because if I spot this one, it will be, I want a lab so that I can show you, or a lean-to shelter, but I cannot find one, man. It's the forest very vast. I cannot find it in maps, even in Google if I search it. Let's go back and let's see if I can find one. Here it's good, but they're playing here disc golf. It's a disc golf area. Let's go back there. Mas okay na dito. Dito na tayo mag-spot siguro. Ingat-ingat lang sa mga puno kung tutumbahan. Tutumbahan yung mga puno, guys. Tayo mag-spot. Ano tayo ng matibay-tibay na puno. Wala maninipis ang puno dito yata eh. Pero tahimik, guys. Nature. Sorry, hindi ko nahanap yung lean-to shelter. Wala, kanina pa ako nagbabike. Naka 12 kilometers na tayo, kakahanap na. Wala, hindi kasi mapin sa map, hindi mahanap sa maps yun. Basta basta. So hanap lang ako ng magandang spot. Huwag tayo dito kasi maninipis yung puno dito, nagtutumbahan. Ayun, tumba na tong isa. Delikado. Huwag yan. Ayun ang flat grounds. Ang ganda sana yun. Doon. Let's go. Saan ako napadpad? Saan ako napadpad, guys? Akala ko may labasan dito. Ba yan? Wala, uwi na tayo, guys. Walang pagpestuhan eh. Maano kasi yan, no? Mamosi yung forest. Ayun. Yung mamosi siya pag tinapakan mo. Kakatakot eh, baka may ahas. Maganda sanang spot yung talaga yung labo. Wala naman na akong time para hanap pa. Ang labo, umutaw, tumba yung puno. Buhat yung bike. Ganap na ako ng pag-iispatan sana, wala. Takot naman mag-set up pa, no? Kaasar, guys. Hindi ko nahanap yung lean-to shelter. Next time ulit, pag day off ulit natin, hanapin ulit natin yun. Yun ang tatargetin natin. Hanap pa ako ng ruta nito kung saan ako dadalhin itong trail na ito. Nilakad ko na. May papakita sana ako sa inyo. Wala naman ako paglapagan na maganda na spot. Ang ganda sana na yung shelter na yun eh. Natsambahan ko lang yun noon, naligaw ako. Lean-to shelter pala yun. Ngayon ko lang na-research. Lean-to shelter siya na ng mga hikers. Kaya pwede ka matulog dun overnight. Ang kailangan mo na lang doon is sleeping bag tsaka sleeping pad. Pero kung hindi ka na maarte, pwede na yun kasi ano yun, cottage, kahoy. Kung hindi ka na maarte, pwede na yun, sleeping bag lang. Sa mga hikers, yun ang maganda dito, no? Kaya outdoor ano dito eh. Nature. Mas gusto ko yung ganito, nature lang. Sa city, minsan-minsan lang sa city. Mas gusto ko yung ito lang, nature. Yung sa city, minsan-minsan lang tayo, pagbibili lang tayo ng Asian store. Mga kailangan na pagkain. Oh, balik na tayo sa trail. Yun, tinuturo niya yung daan. Pero naghanap kasi ako ng ano eh. Pwede kong pagtambayan. Ito, maganda ito kasi maniliit yung puno. Sasabit ako ng ano. Sabit tayo ng hamok. Doon pa. May maninipis na yung puno doon. Dapat yung ito, makakapal na puno dapat to. Hanap pa tayo. Hanap din tayo. Ayaw kasi tumapak din sa ano yun. Mossy kasi. Gusto ko yung flat grounds lang. Ito flat grounds. Ito pwede na dito. Ito medyo flat grounds. Mas malapit pa tayo sa lalabasan natin. Doon na tayo lalabas mamaya pag ano. Ito. Testing natin dito. Ito. Medyo flat grounds. Alright. Testing ko dito mag setup, guys. Kita-kits tayo later. Parada ko lang to. Bike. Andito na tayo sa forest. I'm gonna show you this one I bought in XXL. It's a white hydration pack, white active 14 liters. So there's a hydration pack inside, a water container, and it has a hose here. So I'm gonna show you. You can use this also in camping. So you have 2 liters of hydration pack already. See, and you don't need to bring water anymore. So like that. So it's cheap. It's just cheap. I bought it around 25 plus the shipping also. So it's very good for camping, biking, or especially biking. So this is a bike bag. It has also a net here for a helmet if you're gonna put your helmet, and a raincoat, or what do you call that, a rain cover for your bag. So it's very good. This one, it's white also, the same brand as my bike. My bike is also, the brand is white. So I tested it just now carrying the bag. So it's a light bike. I made it heavy by putting the bags, but yeah, it's very good. The one thing I didn't put there is the sleeping bag there in front, but I think the clearance is still good until now. I rode about 12-15 kilometers until now, but I didn't find any lavoo. So I'm just gonna rest here. I don't know if I'm gonna have a tambay here or what. I don't know if I'm gonna have a tambay here or what. I'm gonna set here. I don't feel like setting here. I don't have any tables or whatnot. I didn't find the lean-to shelter. There are lean-to shelters here around here, but it's hidden and it's not pinned to the map, so you cannot find even in Google Maps. You cannot find the exact point where it is, but it's here, around here in the middle of the forest. But I didn't find it. But next ride, gonna find one. I have a pin location already, Paluyarvi. So it's around 8 to 9 kilometers from here. So there's a specific spot. It's pinned already. You can find already the lean-to shelter. So that's it for now, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna set here. I didn't feel like setting here. Well, let's see. I'm gonna set a little bit and then go home. Let's go. Dito na tayo mag-spot, guys. Alright. Mas diretsuhin na mamaya. Patayin ko na itong maps. May nakita akong spot dun. At least dito ano lang. Malapit na tayo sa ano. Lalabasan natin. Dito tayo. Yun, nakakita na ako. Dito na tayo, guys. Para ano, nalalakaran ng tao kasi ito. Hindi siya masyadong ano. Pero kung trail to, patay tayo. Baka may dumaan. Oo nga, mukhang trail. Tambay na lang tayo. Hindi na ako makapagsabit, guys. Tambay na lang gagawin natin dito. At least dito may pagupuan tayo na ridge. Oh, ano ba? Ridge yan, guys. Ridge. Tapos trail to. Malapit lang siya sa Kalsa trail. Hindi ko kasi nahanap yung ano, sorry guys, pasensya na. Kung nahanap yung lean-to shelter maganda mapakita ko sa inyo. Siguro Sweden meron din yan, mga lean-to shelter. Lavo ang tawag dito lean-to shelter. Ganda sana pag napakita ko sa inyo, kasi lean-to shelter siguro screenshots ko na lang yung mga ano dyan. Lean-to shelter, pakita ko na lang sa screen. Lean-to shelters is ano, pwedeng pagtulugan ng mga nagka-camping for free. So any season yun, 4 season. Pero syempre hindi ka naman magka-camping ng ano, diba? Winter. Ganda dun sa baba. Ganun, gusto kong bike yung ganun kaingay. Ang ingay nung ano niya, hubs. Kumagano pag free rolling. Alright naman, okay naman. Manipis-nipis lang to, 700 by 45C tires, WTB Riddler tires. And then I put the, what do you call that, the bike locks here, and then the straps, other straps are here. And then here we have the set for our camping set. Ito, both camping set and our drone. Here is our cooking set is here. And then the other one I didn't bring because I will not use it today, but soon I'm gonna put it here, the camping, what do you call that, sleeping bag here. So 2 of them. It still has, it didn't break, this one, so it's still sturdy, I think. Yeah. So for light goods, this is one I use for palengke, for market. I did put it here, the rubber stretchable one, what do you call this one? Yeah, let's go. Gonna end the vlog here, I think, because there's no much you can see already. I'm just gonna rest here in the ridge and then go home. Alright, see you in the next vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, pakita ko yung laman nung ano natin, kitchen tools natin. Ito yung aking foldable na ano, nabili ko sa Tampere. Foldable na bowl, diba? Pwedeng plato na rin siya, foldable siya. Nabili ko sa ano to, Class Olson. Tapos meron akong dala, pero hindi na magluluto ngayon. Meron tayong energy bar, cooking set, blowtorch. Tapos yung mga ano natin, ito camping light, meron tayo camping light, maganda, nabili ko sa ano to, Temu. Meron siyang yellow light at saka red. Yan, tapos yung mga ano natin, water filter. Yan, meron tayong water filter. Tapos ito yung ano natin, yung hygiene kit natin, yung toothpaste, toothbrush, toothpick. Yan, yun lang. Ito yung kutsara ko, galing din sa Temu, kalibaan. Tapos meron siyang mga pang tools. Okay, ang pulutan ko, gusto nyo bang makita ang pulutan natin? Ang pulutan ko guys is yung pigar-pigar, itlog, tsaka ito, burger patty. Alright, so tambay lang muna ako dito sa forest. Kita-kits na talaga tayo sa next vlog. Tapusin ko na dito, namin ko lang yung San Miguel beer, tsaka parang ano ko na rin to, merienda. Alright, let's go. Kasi nakita ko ng bench pwede tating pagupuan. Let's go. Alright guys, inumin na natin to sa forest. Oh. San Miguel, baka naman. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, yeah, San Miguel. Baka naman. Ito talagang balak kong gawin guys, yung magano sa forest. Meron pa akong baon dun eh, na whiskey sana, kaso hindi natin nahanap yung spot. Susunod na lang, anong oras na? Oh, gabihin tayo. So next time. Alright, on to the next one. Ano na ako dito, drinking spree sa forest guys. So, ganda, nakaka-relax. Ganda sana kung meron ko setup. Dapat pala yung tent na lang dinala ko. Kung yung tent dinala ko, kung saan lang ako naglatag dyan, pwede na. Diba? Ganda pa nung ano kanina doon, yung mossy forest kasi malambot, para kami kakautsun pare. Parang nakakutsun doon pag doon. Sarap. Meron tayong moderate fire warning. Ayan, so bawal mag-bonfire. Magluto ka man nung stove mo, dapat nakalapatong sa ano. Maganda sana yun, hindi ko napakita yung ano. Sayang guys. Sayangan ako dun, hindi ko nahanap. Very vast kasi tong forest guys. Ang luwang nito. Ito connected ng 4 o ilang cities na to. Diba ito yung sa akin. Sa kabila papuntang ano na yan, Yura banda, Yura side, and then the other side pa ng dun Hute na yan, mga ganyan yan, papuntang south. Tapos dito naman south, west tsaka east yan. Interconnected siya, napakaluwang. Kokemaki yan. So dito naman sa bandang ano, east side, Kokemaki. Yun yung pupunta natin guys, sa Paloyarvi naman sa next. Mga after 7 days, maganda ng weather, kayang-kaya na, pwede na tayo mag long ride. So testing na natin siguro overnight para ano, embrace natin yung forest yung ganito, di ba? Embrace mo yung ganyan, tapos matutulog ka. Magluto ka, magkain ka. Tapos forest ang tahimik, yan lang. Nature, di ba? Hangin. Oh. Temperature ngayon is ano na, positive 9. Positive 9 pero feels like negative 1. Alright, tapusin ko na yung vlog guys. Ang mahaba na yung video. Let's go.